An advisory message circulating on social media alarms people about fraudulent missed calls originating from specific countries identified by the international codes +371, +375, and +381. According to the post, scammers initiate a call from an international number, allow it to ring just once, and if the recipient decides to return the call, the scammers swiftly steal the individual's contact list and obtain their bank or credit card details within minutes. The post also cautions users that entering #90 and #09 on their phones may enable scammers to clone SIM card details, allowing them to make calls at the individual's cost and potentially frame them as criminals. A search for details on this led to a similar warning message about unknown international numbers in an article published by a cybersecurity professional in 2019. The article talks about the One Ring phone scam using which scammers had been looting the commission from high international rates or other connection fees charged for making international calls. The One Ring phone scam, also known as the Wangiri scam, is a deceptive tactic used by scammers to trick individuals into making expensive international calls. The scam typically involves the scammer making brief one-ring calls to random phone numbers. The intention is to prompt the recipient to call the number back, thinking it may be an important or missed call. However, the return call is directed to a premium rate or international number, and the person making the call is charged exorbitant fees, a portion of which goes to the scammer. The Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, the Colombia government, and many other organizations have cautioned people about this one-ring phone scam. The police from different states in India have, on multiple occasions, cautioned people about the scam. However, there is no evidence that scammers can steal contact list details and bank information from a phone through this method. Details on how to protect oneself from the One Ring phone scam are available online and can be found embedded in the Factly article in the description. A search for whether dialing #90 or #09 on a phone could allow scammers to access an individual's SIM card led to an FCC article related to the scam. The FCC called it a legacy telephone scam targeting business landline telephones served by a private branch exchange or private automatic branch exchange. According to the article, by dialing these codes on certain private branch exchange and private automatic branch exchange business landline phones, the caller was allowed to transfer the call. But this does not affect cell phones in any way. One cannot access the individual's SIM card details by making them dial #90 or #09. The New Zealand police and many fact-checking sites clarified that the messages or emails warning police about scammers accessing SIM card details by dialing a few numbers is a hoax. Details on various methods through which one's SIM card can be cloned are available online and can be found in the same Factly article mentioned earlier. To sum up, while the One Ring scam and the #90 or #09 codes exist but do not do what the viral post claims, this post is misleading.
Join our YouTube membership program and be a part of the journey of making public data meaningful. And remember, before you hit that forward button, pause.